Are you looking for more information on our 12 to 15 ton excavator grading buckets? Continue watching as we explain what makes this bucket stand out. The 12 to 15 ton excavator buckets are OEM approved. Also, they are held in stock in our Alabama warehouse, ready to ship, and takes a 4 to 7 day transit time in the lower 48 states. These 12 to 15 ton excavator grading buckets are great for your finishing and grading projects. Like all Rhinox buckets and attachments, the Rhinox 12 to 15 ton grading buckets are covered by a lifetime guarantee on the welds and also have a fitment guarantee. So you can be confident that your bucket is built to last, and when it arrives that it will fit seamlessly. The 12 to 15 ton grading buckets are 60 inches wide and have a capacity to carry 0.88 cubic yards. The Rhinox 12 to 15 ton excavator grading buckets are available for the most common machines, such as the Bobcat E145, the Cat 315, and the John Deere 135 P-tier machines. For maximum strength, our 12 to 15 ton grading buckets are manufactured with hardened steel, as well as the leading edges on this bucket are manufactured with thicker steel. It's 3 times thicker than the bucket shell in view of getting the longest life possible. On the back of the bucket, it is designed with 5 wear straps that go side to side in view of giving you strength and stability on the back of the bucket. And there are 2 side wear straps. These wear plates on the back and on the sides allow you to get longer life out of your bucket. The cutting edge is made from hardened steel in view of giving you longer life and better wear resistance. They are also fitted with a hardened bolt-on cutting edge, which as they wear are available on our website. This bolt-on cutting edge is designed to eliminate the wear on the front lip of your bucket. As this cutting edge wears, it can be taken off, flipped around, and used again. Once fully worn, this bolt-on cutting edge can be removed and replaced with a Rhinox replacement cutting edge. These grading buckets are designed and manufactured with 2 center fins. Those are designed to give it extra strength in a wider bucket in view of, over time, the bucket not bowing and bending. These buckets are designed with 2 solid steel hangers, and they are fastened to the buckets with welded on gusset plates, which help strengthen it in view of no distortion and twisting. And as always, Rhinox buckets and attachments all have an identification plate located between the hangers on the top of the bucket. This includes the model number and the serial number for your machine, including weight and any other details that are needed. Rhinox 12 to 15 ton grading buckets are available online and through the local dealer network across the US. And all Rhinox products ship free freight in the lower 48 states. Want to know more about Rhinox's 12 to 15 ton digging buckets? Click here. And as always, please subscribe to our channel in view of seeing all of our latest video content. The 12 to ton